Hi there, this is Dennis Wells, and welcome to day 4 of the 12 days of growing wealth through real estate. Today, we're going to look at 4 types of real estate investments and explain each one of them shortly. Number 1, your primary residence. The value of a primary residence is really because you have to pay money to live somewhere anyway, you might as well pay money to yourself. So that's what happens when you have a primary residence. Part of your payment every month goes to principal, and it's like a forced savings account. Number 2 is a short-term rental. Maybe you buy a house that you can rent out by the day or by the week, like an Airbnb. That's a great way to create cash flow and pay the mortgage on that house and have some additional income coming in. Number 3 is a long-term rental. So that is something that you buy, that you hold, that you have people that sign generally a year lease, and every month they are paying you rent, which covers your mortgage and some of your other expense and gives you a rate of return on that investment. And number 4 is house hacking. That is when you think outside of the box a little bit to not only make housing more affordable for you, but accelerate your ability to create wealth and a real estate portfolio. For example, if you are a young person and you're looking to buy your first house, what if you bought a duplex? You live on one side, you have renters on the second side that pretty much pay your mortgage. After you've been in it for a year, you can go and get a small single family house and use the rental on both sides to take care of that payment and potentially give you more income for your second purchase. Then after a year in that house, you go ahead and rent that one out and you buy a slightly bigger single family residence. If you do that 2 or 3 times, you could end up with, in 5 to 7 years, 5 or 6 houses that are income producing properties for you that you have a lower interest rate on because you bought each one of them as a primary residence and you lived in them for the mandatory 12 months. So each of these 4 ways to invest in real estate grows wealth. They just do it a little bit differently. So if you'd like to have help picking the right strategy, direct message me the word wealth, and we'll get together and talk about how I can help you create wealth through real estate in 2026.